Yeah, hey guys, back to another video. So in this video, I will be showing a small demo of how Transcribe AWS Transcribe actually works. That will be our underlying principle uh, uh, for our application kind of a thing. So what I was so before going into the video, I'll just explain what AWS Transcribe actually does. So AWS Transcribe actually extracts the audio input and then converts it into a text convertible file. So where you can see all the subtitles. So whatever subtitles that are generated by AWS Transcribe are picked up by AWS Translate and then translated into your own desired language. So that is our underlying principle. So in this video, we'll be discussing about how AWS Transcribe actually works. So let's hop into our demonstration. So before going, I'll just go into AWS console. Yeah, AWS management console. So log backing. Yeah. Okay, so for this, I'll just explain you what we are actually going to do. So for this, we are actually going to take two S3 buckets. One bucket is the input bucket, another bucket is the output bucket. The input bucket consists of the video where the transcription has to be done. And the output bucket actually consists of all the files like SRT, VTT, which we'll be discussing. Those are the subtitles file, and I will also be showing you by opening them, and I will also be showing you the timestamp and um, all the text that gets extracted through the audio. Okay, so let's go on and create two S3 buckets. Yeah, okay. Create bucket. In create bucket, I will just create AWS bucket for cloud and then project, and it is for input, right? So input. AWS bucket cloud product input. So AWS region is AP South 1 in my case. It might be different in your case. Then I'm not going to choose any settings. So if you don't know what an S3 bucket is and if you don't know how an S3 bucket is configured, so I have already posted a video in this playlist. So please go and watch that and then come to this video. Then you will get a better understanding of this video. For bucket versioning, I'll just enable my versioning and then I'm not adding any tags. For default encryption, it is recommended to have default encryption. So server-side encryption, I'm just keep clicking on enable. Advanced settings, I'm not much interested in object log for this. I'm just going to test. Okay. So I'll just create a bucket. Yeah, so here we can see our AWS bucket for cloud project input. And then in this input bucket, I will go on and upload my video. For uploading my video, just click on upload and then add files. In add files, I already have a video from the Incredibles movie. So it's a very short video. So I have taken that video. Then So this is the video. I'll be uploading it. So here I have uploaded and just click on upload. It will take some time. Yeah, upload is succeeded. Once this upload is succeeded, just click on close. And then we have not much work to do with this our input bucket now. And then now we'll just create one more bucket. My bucket will be AWS bucket for AWS project for cloud project. Yeah, for cloud project, and then it is output, right? This is the output bucket. So the same thing, my region will be AP South 1, object ratios are disabled. I'm blocking the public access bucket versioning. I will enable it. Default encryption is enabled, and I'm not interested in advanced settings, and then create bucket. Yeah, okay. We will not be uploading anything in the output bucket as it will be auto uploaded into the output bucket. So once we have created, once you are done with creating two buckets, then just go on to transcribe. Just click transcribe. Yeah, here I have my Amazon transcribe over here. Okay, so just create a one job, transcription job. Just name the job. I'll just give just transcribe. Just transcribe. And language settings. My video is actually my video. I know my video is for specific language and it is US based English. So I'm giving you specific language. If you don't know what the language is, just be comfortable with clicking on automatic language identification and it will automatically identify what language the video actually is in. Then your language is English US based, and then general. Then model type is general model. Custom language model is for your custom language, whichever language you want. Just give a different number of texts and all those, and just prune them, and then train the model. Okay. In additional settings, adding to job queue. I'm not adding to job queue as it is only one job at a time now. I'm just doing one job. So the file for the input file location on S3, we'll just go into our input bucket, and input bucket we do playback MP4, and I will just choose that file. For the output data, a service managed S3 bucket, you can go on with this, but this whatever contents in this S3 bucket will be there. They will be removed after 90 days. Okay, once the job expires. So I will not. I'm not going to go with this. I'm going to go with customer specified S3 bucket, and these are not removed from the bucket even after the job expires. Okay. So for the output file destination, we created one more S3 bucket, right? So this is the output bucket, and just a second. Output file destination on S3. Just click on S3 and just click on this bucket. Okay, done. So encryption, I don't want any encryption to be done, but if you want any encryption to be done, you can go on with this. I want the subtitles in both the formats SRT and VTT. So I'm just doing this. Specify the start index. Start index is nothing but how the what they say the transcription task should start from the zero index or from the one index. It depends on your platform where you're going to implement this. If they prefer to start from zero index, you go with zero index. If they prefer to start from first index, then you go on with one index. In my case, I'm just going on with zero index. I did a sample test case, and then uh, not much concerned with which index it actually starts. I just want my transcription task to be done, right? Tags are optional. Go on with next. So here you have optional audio settings, audio identification, alternative results, content removal, vocabulary filtering, and then custom vocabulary. So if you want any of this, you just click on them and you will get some more different options, and just choose one of them and just go on with it. But this is just a test case, and this is just a small tutorial of how AWS Transcribe works. I'm not going to do this all, otherwise it will be a very long video. Then I'll just create job. Once the job is created, we'll just wait for the status to be complete as it is written down in my different transcription job. Okay. Uh, we'll just wait for its completion, and once it's completed, I'll just go in and show you download the SRT and VTT files, and show you how the audio is extracted and how it is converted into a text. We'll just wait for its completion. Yes, it's taking much longer time. Yeah, okay. Well, once we reload the page, yeah. Okay, just transcribe. I'll just click on this. Yeah, you can see the created, started and ended time of the job, and then you can see the input data location, output data location. Here you can see our input data location is cloud product input bucket, and then cloud product output bucket as the output destination. Yeah, here you can see that expiration is the transcription is available for 89 more days. Once my 89 or 1 day 89 days are completed, I need to upload the video again if I need the subtitles to be this. Or it's better to download this, right? Once my audio identification and then subtitles, these all are done in the this all if you choose as the custom S3 bucket as your output destination, so you need to choose this. But if you need if you choose default S3 location, then it doesn't actually show you here the output data location. It actually shows you here the text auto identification, like the from which language was it, and the subtitles will be generated over here as well. So I'll just go on to the my output link. So it will take me to my output bucket and see. Yeah, here we go. Here we have all our output files. Our first one is write access check file temp, and then just transcribe JSON, and then just transcribe SRT and VTT. This is the package.json. We can call it as package.json file, and this can be as any temp file. Okay. Here it is SRT and VTT. I'll just go on and download these two. Mm, just a second, I need to download it singularly. So once I click on this, I will just click on download and just save, and I'll just click on this and just download and save this too. Then here we have completed our transcription task. Okay, so our transcription task is done, but whether our transcription task is done correctly or not, so we will just go on to this, and then here we in this downloads folder I have my SRT. I guess okay, I don't have a file over here, but I will just open with I guess I can open this with my Visual Studio Code. I must get an option over here. Just wait for my Visual Studio Code to open, and I will go to my open file, and in open file I will just choose my download folder. I will just choose this and this as well, and I'll just click on open. Yes, I trust and open. Yeah, here you people can see a .vtt file and .srt file as are generated parallelly. So I have opened it as a parallel. So just ignore this. This was the content of our previous video. Okay. In this just transcribe.vtt, we have web vtt from zero index. It started 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wherever the audio was encountered, it kept on transcribing. Okay. Do you have to read at the table? And then yeah, and these are actually the dialogues of our The Incredibles, a small scene from The Incredibles. So it actually did the same transcription, and I guess the accuracy is 100% for this. For just transcribe .srt file is also the same file, but you can see that there is not much of a difference between these two files. Like if you want to go with VTT, you can go with VTT. If you want to go with SRT, you can go with SRT. There's not much of a difference. Then okay, in the next video we will be seeing the organization of our project files and our complete deployed project. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.